Okay, guys, in example number 3, it says, when the sun's rays strike the moon's surface at an angle of 6 degrees, you see they've drawn the triangle for us, right? They've drawn this for us. All right. If you're trying to land a spaceship on the moon, it would be nice to know how tall this crater is. But I can't figure out how tall that crater is because I can't land my ship on the moon until I find out how tall the crater is. Right? Maybe the astronaut could just step off of this. But maybe not. So there's a way that we can use trigonometry to find out that distance from Earth. We can use, using telescopes, the shadow to find out that distance. Okay? It says, when the sun's rays strike the moon's surface at an angle of 6 degrees, the edge of a lunar crater casts a shadow that has a length of about 4,700 meters. We see it down there, don't we? What is the depth, D? That means they want to know that side of the triangle. Okay? In meters. Of the crater to the nearest 10 meters. Not tenths, not decimal points, but the nearest tens. Okay? Well, let's look at this. Would you guys agree? Can we set up an equation with a little fraction, right? Tangent of something equals something over something, right? Because remember, tangent's opposite over adjacent. Can someone tell me what equation could I write here? Anybody? Thinking about it? Am I in the way? Okay. You guys have the look of people who are thinking. That's good. I don't know if you're thinking, but you look like it. Liam, what do you think?
So if you find the tangent of 6 degrees.
The tangent of 6 degrees is equal to what?
400.
D, the opposite, over 4,700. The opposite over the adjacent. Do you agree? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The tangent of this angle is equal to the opposite side, which is D, over the adjacent side, which is 4,700. Wait a minute. Teddy, we have a calculator.
Yeah.
What does the tangent of 6 degrees equal?
That equals
To 4 places.
0.1051.
1051. And that equals D over 4,700. Nice, Teddy. Now, I just need to get D by itself, so it'll tell me what D equals, right? So Fritz,
Yes.
what do I do to get D by itself?
You multiply 0.1051
Yeah?
with 4,700.
You agree I've multiplied both sides by 4,700?
Yes.
So that this will cancel, and I'm just left with D.
Mm-hmm.
Well, tell me what D equals. Fritz?
It's 493.97.
So 490 feet if we round it to the nearest 10?
493. Oh, yeah, okay.
To the nearest tens, right? That's what they told me. All right, so 493 rounds to 490
Yeah.
total feet. All right, so now that I've taken that measurement, I now know that the astronaut should not step off the edge of that crater. Nor should we plan to land our ship right there, right? In case we miss by a foot or two. Okay? Because that could be a nasty fall. And then people die, and we've wasted all that money, and then they make movies about it. It's sad. That's just sad. So let's take the measurements before we go. All right. Good job, guys. One more example.